Let's transform leftover turkey into tossed noodles with Jing Sichuan chili crisp oil. So we got leftover turkey that I diced up, as well as leftover Brussels sprouts and roasted sweet potatoes, plus some fresh scallions for garnish. So we've got a little bit of peanut oil, 1 clove of garlic. Cook the garlic for a minute until it's soft and aromatic. Now add your turkey, along with Jing Zhong sauce, which is an incredible sauce that can be used for dumplings, stir fries. It's got soy, chili, mushroom powder, and just lots of good stuff. A splash of Shaoxing wine, which is Chinese cooking wine. And just cook that until it's all combined. In my serving bowl, I've got a little bit of miso paste. I'm gonna add a bit of sesame oil, mirin, rice vinegar, and some more zhong sauce. Mix that up. Add cooked noodles. Now add your turkey in the middle. I have it in a bowl and I'm literally just gonna go like that. Sweet potato, Brussels sprouts, some dried nori, and scallions, and egg yolk. Wow. And finish it with Jing Sichuan chili crisp oil. After you assemble it, just go ahead and stir it all up, stir it all together, and let's try it. Mmm. 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 Wow. It's like an Asian Thanksgiving. But really the Sichuan flavors really come through, and it doesn't taste like Thanksgiving dinner anymore. You do have that sweetness from the sweet potato, and the turkey doesn't even taste like turkey anymore, honestly. That zhong sauce just completely transforms it. If you're sick of those Thanksgiving flavors but you have a lot of leftovers, you know what to do. This is exactly what you need to make. Feel free to add more of the Jing Sichuan chili crisp oil as you want. I like it hot, so I've got a ton of chili oil in here. And it's very buildable. The chili oil itself is not too spicy, but when you add a lot of it, ooh, that kick is so good. And of course, you can get 15% off your Jing order with my code indulgence15. So grab a jar of their zhong sauce and their chili oil and give this a try at home. And honestly, you can do this with any leftovers you have.